The National Lottery Euro Million drawing for Tuesday, May 21st in 2024. Tonight estimated Euro Million jackpot is 22 million pound. Let's take a look at the price breakdown from the last drawing. There were no jackpot winners. Match 5 and 1 star, there was 1 winner. Match 5, there were no winners. Match 4 and 2 stars, there were 4 winners. Match 4 and 1 star, there were 133 winners. Match 3 and 2 stars, there were 321 winners. Tonight live drawing start at 8 p.m. You can watch the live drawing by clicking the link in the description below. After the drawing, you can check the results on the official National Lottery website. We will also provide the results in the description. Stay tuned for more chance to win in Euro Million Lottery.